If your business is growing, keeping up with who you owe and what's been paid gets messy fast. And I don't mean a little disorganized. I mean truly chaotic in a way that quietly costs real money. Invoices come in from everywhere. Email, paper, vendor portals, screenshots, and forwarded messages. And approvals happen in Slack threads, phone calls, or someone taps you on the shoulder. And payments only happen when someone remembers to make them. And the result is the same across almost every growing business that we see. Duplicate payments, data entry mistakes, late fees, fraud exposure, and zero visibility into what you actually owe. Honestly, I've been waiting for a solution to finally come to Canada, and it just did. YBL is partnering with MakersHub, an AI accounts payable platform that streamlines bill processing for businesses with complex workflows. Powered by Wise Vision, it captures line item data, matches bills to POs, manages approvals, and syncs with software like QuickBooks. So today, we're walking through the 5 biggest AP mistakes we see in real businesses, what they look like in practice, why they happen, and how a purpose-built AP system fixes them. Finally, let's dive in. Before we start, quick note on who this is for. If you're getting 10 bills or so a month, you can probably manage them manually. But once a business grows to hundreds of invoices, the process breaks. We see this constantly across construction companies, manufacturers, agencies, and restaurants. Any business with real vendor relationships and real operational volume. And the impact is bigger than most people realize. Let's start with the first one. Duplicate payments happen far more often than most owners realize. And the reason is simple. Invoices arrive through multiple channels. A vendor emails the bill. Someone forwards it. The vendor resends it because the payment is slow. So somebody uploads that PDF and 2 people enter it, or the same person enters it twice, weeks apart. And because AP is scattered across inboxes and spreadsheets, there's no single place verifying whether the invoice already exists. And most businesses only catch it during reconciliation. Or when the vendor sends a credit memo 3 months later, and by then it's awkward or impossible to fix. It starts with how invoices actually enter the system. Every MakersHub account gets a unique email address for invoices. So vendors send bills directly to it. Your team can forward invoices to it, and your accounting inbox can auto-forward to it. Once your invoice arrives, Wise Vision, MakersHub proprietary AI engine, reads the document. And this is not basic OCR. It extracts the vendor, invoice number, totals, payment terms, due dates, line items, everything you could imagine. It actually understands the structure of the invoice. Because it understands the invoice, it can identify duplicates immediately. If a duplicate appears, MakersHub flags it instantly. It shows you the existing invoice, the amount, and the status, and asks you what you want to do. Reject it, merge it, or review it. And even if someone misses the flag, the system has safeguards preventing the same invoice from being approved twice. Multiple layers of protection. Yeah, okay, you've seen some of this before, and you're not impressed yet? Trust me, you will be. Let's dig into mistake number 2. Manual entry creates constant small mistakes. Numbers get transposed. Dates get entered wrong. Vendor names become inconsistent. Your GL codes get guessed. Individually, these look small. Together, they destroy data accuracy. And if you get a few hundred invoices per month, someone is spending hours every day just typing information into QuickBooks. Invoice open on one screen, QuickBooks open on the other, vendor name, invoice number, date, total, all that fun stuff. Then line by line, they do quantity, description, unit price, and someone has to decide what GL account it belongs to. I'm tired just listing these off. How tired are you when you're doing this all day, every day? Very, I'm sure of it. And that's where it really breaks down. If the person entering the bill doesn't fully understand your chart of accounts, coding becomes inconsistent, and suddenly your financial reporting is wrong. Now let me show you something. Wow, I've played with a lot of these tools and none of them come even close to this. Okay, let me explain what just happened. That document wasn't one invoice, it was 68. MakersHub automatically separated the invoices, identified each document, extracted the data, and structured it properly. That used to be someone's full-time job, manually separating documents and typing every line item into QuickBooks. I've seen a lot of tools that claim they do this, OCR tools or bill capture tools or AP automation tools. And in some simple situations, they work okay. But once you get messy uploads or line item details, multiple invoices inside one document, never mind job costing requirements, most of them fall apart. MakersHub is the first one I've seen that actually handles messy real-world situations. Like when you go to Walmart to buy something and the receipt shows XYZ4P, MakersHub will actually figure it out. There are really two parts to manual data entry in accounts payable, and MakersHub eliminates both. The first is simply capturing what's actually on the bill, like quantities, SKU numbers, descriptions, or line items. Wise Vision actually reads and structures all of that automatically. And importantly, it also knows what to ignore. Multipliers, list prices, subtotals. It filters out the noise and captures the information that actually needs to go into QuickBooks. The second part is where things get interesting. It's taking all of that information and recording it correctly in your accounting system. The right GL, the right job, the right class, and the right cost code. And this is the part that's seriously hard. And it's where MakersHub integration with QuickBooks changes everything. When you connect QuickBooks, MakersHub pulls in the structure of how your books are already set up. Your chart of accounts, your vendors, your items, your customers, and classes, you name it. So the system understands how things are supposed to be recorded. When MakersHub doesn't automatically know what to do, you can train it. You can set rules. For example, when this vendor sends an invoice, map it to this account. When a line item contains this keyword, assign it here. So you set the rule once and it runs automatically going forward. You can also do this using natural language with Wise Vision. You can literally say, look at my chart of accounts, read what was purchased on this invoice, and assign it to the correct GL account. It will suggest the correct coding. Then you confirm it, and that becomes a permanent rule. So the system keeps getting smarter, and this is where the system stops being just a tool and starts becoming infrastructure. Instead of entering data, your team is reviewing it. That's a completely different job, and it's much faster and much more accurate. Okay, mistake number 3. We've seen it. Invoices pile up. Approvals sit in someone's inbox. Bills get processed in batches at month end, and suddenly you're paying late. You've missed early payment discounts and your vendor relationships suffer. So let me describe a typical process we see. The invoice arrives, the AP person emails the project manager asking if the work was done. The project manager is obviously on a job site, and so 3 days later, maybe they reply. Now AP enters the bill, and now it needs owner approval, and the owner is traveling. You see where this goes. Meanwhile, the invoice had a 2% early payment discount if it was paid in 10 days. But sorry to say, that window was gone. Not because you didn't want the discount, because the process was slow. Multiply that across hundreds of invoices, and you have no idea what's pending, what's approved, or what's due. MakersHub separates 2 decisions. First question, is the invoice valid? And second question, do we authorize payment? Those should be 2 different approvals, but MakersHub builds workflows around this. Invoices automatically route to the right person to verify the bill. And once it's verified, payment authorization routes separately. You can define these rules by vendor, amount, job, or department. Once approved, invoices move into the payment scheduling dashboard, where you'll see due dates, aging invoices, and upcoming payments. You can schedule payments in advance and know exactly when vendors will receive funds. The owner can still approve the final payment batch, but now they're not blocking the entire workflow. How easy is that? Problem number 4, weak controls create real fraud risk, and fraud risk is real. Fake invoices, vendor impersonation, unauthorized payments, and small businesses rely heavily on trust instead of structure. Let me give you a real scenario. A vendor emails your team saying their bank account changed. Your AP person naturally updates the banking details. Payments start going out to this new account, and 3 months later, the real vendor calls asking why invoices aren't paid. The email was fraudulent. That money is gone. This happens constantly, and it happens because there's no structured verification process. You better believe MakersHub has built a verification system directly into vendor onboarding. When you're adding a vendor, the system sends a secure request asking the vendor to submit their payment details themselves. They can attach documentation confirming the account. And once they're verified, the payment method becomes locked. It cannot be changed informally. If someone sends an email asking to change the banking details, the system requires a new verification process. So you combine that with extensive role permissions and approval workflows, and you dramatically reduce fraud exposure. All right, here's number 5, and this is the root problem behind everything. Invoices live across email, spreadsheets, your brain, shared drives,
QuickBooks attachments, that random Excel file on Bob's folder, text messages, Slack threads, somebody's notebook, another Excel file here that nobody wants to delete,
and the AP inbox with 4,000 unread emails.
Okay, I think you get it. Ask most owners this question. Right now, how much do you owe vendors that hasn't been scheduled for payment? Most can't answer without digging through multiple systems. And when you don't know your commitments, you make worse decisions like cash flow surprises or rushed payments or poor forecasting. MakersHub becomes your centralized AP hub. Yes, please. Every invoice, approval, and payment lives in one place, and you can search by vendor or amount or date or job status. And it has real-time dashboards that sync with QuickBooks and show you things like what's pending for approval, what's scheduled for payment, and what's overdue. Because the data is structured and current, you actually gain real financial visibility. And this is worth saying. Most tools in this category are really just bill pay tools or basic extraction or basic workflows. They get the bill paid and move on. MakersHub was built for businesses where the detail inside the bill actually matters. Job costing, manufacturing, complex purchasing. And for the clients we've implemented this for, the difference has been massive. When AP goes from chaotic to structured overnight, the operational stress just disappears. When business owners see software like this, the first reaction is usually, well, this looks powerful and all, but is it going to be impossible to implement? And great news, MakersHub includes white glove onboarding by default. Their team helps configure workflows and approvals and integrations, so the barrier to getting started is much lower than most people think. Here's what I want you to take away from all this. Every problem we talk through traces back to the same root issue. Most tools businesses use don't actually know what's happening. A spreadsheet doesn't know the invoice you entered is the same one you paid last month. A basic AP tool doesn't know a line item belongs to a specific job. They process documents, they don't understand them. MakersHub is different. When it reads an invoice, it understands what it is and what was purchased and how it should be recorded in your system. It knows your vendors, your chart of accounts, your jobs, and the approval structure, and it applies that context automatically every time a bill comes in. So the system isn't just processing AP, it's operating with an understanding of your business. And that's what AI is actually supposed to do. Not generate pictures or write emails, but handle the complex operational work that normally eats up all of your team's time. And that's why we chose to partner with MakersHub. At YBL, we talk a lot about building businesses that actually scale, and the companies pulling ahead right now are the ones that are learning how to use AI as a real operational infrastructure. MakersHub is one of the clearest examples we've seen in that practice. Real businesses saving real hours and making better decisions because the system finally understands what's going on. If you want to see what a modern AP workflow actually looks like, you can book a demo with MakersHub using the link in the description. If you're already working with the YBL team, this is the type of infrastructure we're constantly evaluating and rolling out for the right clients. Feel free to bring it up on your next call and we can walk through whether it makes sense for your business. We help clients implement this kind of system all the time. And if breakdowns like this are useful to you, you might also like this video.